In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit More Privacy Settings. Scroll down again and finally access Permission Manager. Now you need to tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage and select one of your apps. Finally, apply one of those options by clicking on the best one and going back, or select See All Permissions here and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!